All right, today at Honu Clean, we're gonna be stretching carpets. We have some unwanted ripples or wrinkles in the carpet, and we're gonna pull them out. The first step we need to do is remove all the furniture. Well, that was easy. Now let's take a closer look at this carpet. So we're going to be removing these little ripples, wrinkles, hills, whatever you wanna call them, that form in the carpet. They form in the carpet over time. They're caused by poor installation. And what happens is the carpet installers come in, they lay down the carpet, cut it into place, and they don't do a proper stretching of the carpet. If the ripples are not addressed in the proper amount of time, they can become dangerous trip hazards and result into carpet scarring, which is permanent. A good test to see if your carpet is loose is the snap float test. What I'm doing here is pulling the carpet up and it should snap back. Right now it's actually floating, which tells me the carpet's loose. We'll do another test after we stretch the carpet and you'll be able to see it actually snap. When stretching carpet, every job has its own obstacles or challenges. This particular job, I'll have to be sure not to pull the carpet away from the entry threshold. Honu Clean uses a hydraulic power stretcher to stretch carpets. Power stretching is much more effective than the traditional knee-kicking method. A power stretcher braces against the opposite wall of the gripper, resulting in a full room stretch. The strength of the power stretcher compared to the traditional knee-kicking method is uncomparable. So this carpet has been properly stretched with the power stretcher. I cut about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of excess carpet out of the carpeting. You see now when we do our snap float test, the carpet now is snappy and it's a lot more responsive. Snaps right back down to the floor. That's what you want to see. Having properly stretched carpets will leave you hazard and wrinkle free, provide more effective vacuuming, and prolong the life of your carpet. So if you need help stretching your carpets, give us a call at Honu Clean. We can help. Also, please give this video a like. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel. It's all about carpet, upholstery, and tile cleaning. All the latest and greatest tips. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one.